Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome back to my video. In this video, I will discuss the potential impacts of hydrogen energy application on society and the solution to these problems. First part is the potential social impact of hydrogen energy application. Hydrogen can have different effects on materials compared to the traditional fossil fuels. It is crucial to assess the compatibility of materials in hydrogen production, storage, and transportation systems to prevent corrosion issues. Research and development efforts are ongoing to understand and mitigate any potential corrosion challenges associated with hydrogen infrastructure. Moreover, the adoption of hydrogen energy could lead to new economic opportunities and job creation, potentially benefiting local communities. It is important to consider how the transition to hydrogen energy may affect different socio-economic groups and ensure that benefits are distributed equally. Hydrogen is often considered as a clean energy carrier, especially when produced using renewable energy sources. However, the environmental impact depends on the method of hydrogen production. If hydrogen is produced using fossil fuels with or without carbon capture and storage, it may not provide as significant environmental benefits. The social impact of hydrogen energy involves considerations such as public acceptance, community engagement, and education. Transition to hydrogen may require changes in infrastructure and social behavior, and addressing these changes in a way that is inclusive and considers community concerns is crucial. We just mentioned that hydrogen energy application has a tremendous impact on local community. This influence might be more significant on the marginalized groups. Based on the Social Development Report, such marginalized groups in Edmonton include indigenous peoples, visible minorities, newcomers and immigrants, persons with disabilities, low-income individuals and families, women, seniors, and refugees. The influence of hydrogen energy applications on marginalized groups can be both positive and negative, depending on various factors, including specific context, policies, and implementation strategies. Hydrogen energy application can increase job creation and economic opportunities, bring community engagement and benefits, provide access to clean energy, but it can also induce unequal access to benefits, cause environmental justice concerns. So it is crucial for policymakers, industry stakeholders, and communities to work collaboratively to ensure that benefits of hydrogen energy are distributed equally, and that potential negative impacts are mitigated. This involves considering social, economic, and environmental aspects of hydrogen energy projects, and incorporating the perspectives of marginalized communities in the decision-making process. And this part is the relationship between hydrogen energy and political issues. Hydrogen production may involve the exploration of lands for suitable locations to establish facilities such as electrolyzers or other hydrogen production infrastructure. Indigenous lands and territories may be affected by these exploration activities, raising concerns related to land rights, cultural heritage, and traditional land use. Certain methods of hydrogen production, such as steam methane reforming, may require natural gas feedstocks. The extraction of natural gas involves mining activities, and the associated impacts on the environment and indigenous lands must be considered. Indigenous communities may be affected by disruption to ecosystems, water resources, and traditional hunting or gathering areas. Hydrogen production processes, especially if based on fossil fuels, can generate emissions and pollutants. It is crucial to address concerns related to air and water quality near manufacturing sites. Indigenous communities around such sites may experience environmental degradation and pollution, affecting both the ecosystem and public health. Indigenous peoples may express concerns about the potential infringement on their land rights, including treaty rights and the protection of traditional knowledge. Hydrogen energy projects can have cultural impacts on indigenous communities, disrupting traditional practices and sacred sites. Indigenous communities may consider the economic opportunities associated with hydrogen development, but also assess the potential risks and negative impacts on their socio-economic well-being. So addressing above conflicts would require a comprehensive and collaborative approach. Hydrogen energy projects should engage indigenous communities in early stage and establish collaborative partnerships. Thorough assessments on environmental and cultural impact should be conducted to minimize the disturbing influence. There should be equal revenue sharing, skills development, transparent communication during hydrogen energy projects. Legal rights should be respected, and continuous evaluation should be conducted.